Good morning. This is meteorologist Mrs. Davio from Live Action News. We're expecting a very severe tornado today to hit down at Evergreen Elementary. You should be prepared for this coming storm. One of the things that you will see is a funnel-like shape that might appear in the sky and may touch down on the ground. Warm air and cold air come together and they form a funnel. This type of severe weather is only found in certain areas of the country. Not here usually in our area, but today we're going to be prepared for this severe weather. Stay tuned for more information about the coming tornado.